Hey there, it's Exuberant Dave on day 4 of my biking trip. I'm just leaving this beautiful area in Newark, Delaware. Really had a nice night there last night. Slept in a bed, took a shower, first time since New York. Felt so good. And, well clean and warm and a lot of sleep, and trying to get to Baltimore today. So yeah, here we go. Here I am, just west of It's been windy today. A lot of cornfields. So we also broke out the new jacket breaker thing. It's been working pretty good. I just looked at this junction to make sure I have the directions right, and I do. And then I noticed here, right next to the road, Plantain. That's the type of also is high in iron. You can eat it. It tastes a little bit like banana peel or something. But I got this cut the other day when I was changing my tire. So what I'm gonna do is chew this up, get the juices going, and then dress up my cut. Helps you heal. There's also a bunch of dandelion greens, which are also very tasty and healthy. It's pretty awesome what Mother Nature will give us for free. I'm in a really nice state park here in Maryland, next to a river that starts with an S. That has a really long name. I can't remember. Has a Q. I should know, but I should have checked that out first. But it's a nice road, lots of fall colors. Just wanted to show the river while I was next to it. Oh, coming out to a crossroad. Actually, I think I'm gonna take a break.